All right, Honors Algebra 2, welcome to your Chapter 7 test review here. It's going to be the last video I make for this week. Your goal for these 2 weeks here is to get through all Chapter 7 materials. That's the 2 game plans, the 2 quiz reviews, and this Chapter 7 test review. I'm going to start giving you some notes on the next game plan on Monday. What you guys need to try to find is a notebook or legal pad, something that you'll turn into me eventually. Your next game plan was going to be mostly on separate paper anyway, so this doesn't really change much. Anyway, Chapter 7, that is the goal this week. Numbers 1 through 4, write each logarithmic equation in exponential form. 4 is the base, 3 is the exponent, 64 is the answer. 16 is the base, 1/2 is the exponent, and 4 is the answer, and so forth. 5 to the negative second is 1/25. 2 to the 5th is 32. 5 through 8, write each exponential equation in logarithmic form. Log base 4 of the answer 1/16 equals -2. Log base 20 of the answer 400 equals the exponent 2. Log base 8 of the answer 2 equals the exponent 1/3. And lastly, log base 3 of the exponent of the answer 243 equals 5, the exponent. Next section, state whether each exponential equation represents growth or decay, and then state the percent growth or decay. This next one here would be move the decimal over twice, 103.5, subtract 100, that's 3.5% growth. If the base is above 1, it's growth. This next one, 97 to 100 minus 97. 2 is 2.8% decay. Here, move the decimal over twice, 12.5% growth. On 12, move the decimal over twice, the base is less than 1, it's decay. 100 minus 81.8 is 18.2% decay. Move the decimal over twice here, growth 1.2%. Move the decimal over twice. 100 minus 90.5 is 9.5% decay. All right, 25 through 26. 4 to the negative second equals x. Write all of these, if you can, in exponential form. 4 to the negative second is x. If 4 squared is 16, 4 to the negative 2 is 1/16. This next one here, 4 to what power gives you 81? It'd be 3. Another answer is -3, but you can never have a negative base. All right. On 17, 7 squared equals x. X would be 49. On 18, 8 to the 1/3 power gives you x. The cubed root of 8 is 2. 19, we would write in exponential form as x to the 3rd is 125. X would be 5. On 20, we would write it as x to the negative 3rd is 64. Again, whenever you're raising something to the negative power, like we did on 15, either going from a number bigger than 1 to a number less than 1, or I went from some number to a number bigger than 1. So my answer is going to involve 4, because 4 to the 3rd is